Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope everyone are doing fine. I am Ravikran. Welcome back to my channel. And today we have an interesting video. And today I am back with a new video that is the best 150cc in Indian market. So I think if you have seen my previous video, I made a video regarding the best 125ccs. So same like that, today I am going to do the 150ccs. So basically, what are the bikes you have in 150 and 160? So basically 150, 160. So these two cc's are combined together as one 150 segment. So actually I'm on highway, so there will be a small disturbance, so please ignore it. So what are the bikes we have in this 150cc segment? So basically you have a brands like Bajaj, Hero, Honda, Suzuki, Yamaha and TVS. So all these brands have 150, 160cc segments. So basically there are three categories in this: the naked one and fairing models and cruiser models. So these three types of categories are there, so you have to decide which model will suit you. So I'm going to tell you the exact on-road figures of these all bikes, like what are the bikes are available in all these brands. So let's start it. So coming to the first brand from Bajaj, we have Bajaj Pulsar. So in Pulsar also you get three models: the regular one, Neon and the twin disc model. So there are some differences, like the disc, Neon gets no disc and you get a single disc in one model and you get dual disc in another model. So there are some kind of variations in each and every model. So if you want to see the in detail review, you can check my other videos as well. So in this video I am going to tell you only the on-road price, the exact your customer mileage and the top speed. And why I am telling you the on-road price, because no other YouTuber tells you on-road price, because it's very tough that each and every bike on-road prices should come out. Like I went to each and every showroom, I collected all those price figures, and now I am going to expose all the prices with you. So let's start with the Bajaj. So from Bajaj, Pulsar 150. So Pulsar 150 Neon is priced at rupees 1,12,000 on road, and regular model is priced at rupees 1,20,000, and twin disc model is at 1,24,000. And you get a mileage of 45 kilometers per liter according to customer feedback, and you get a maximum speed of 110. So this is all about the Bajaj Pulsar 150. So you can go up to the speed of 110. So this is all about Pulsar 150. Now let's go to NS 160. So NS 160 is priced at rupees 1,32,000, and you get a mileage of 40 to 42 kilometers per liter, and top speed will be 125 kilometers per hour. And the remaining model in Bajaj is Avenger 160, so which is priced at rupees 1,18,000. So this is all about the Bajaj brand. So now let's go to Honda CB Unicorn. So Honda CB Unicorn is priced at rupees 1,21,000 on road, and you will be getting the customer mileage of 45 to 50, and top speed is around 100 to 110. So this is about the Honda Unicorn. And the next brand, TVS. So TVS has two models, Apache 2V and Apache 4V. So I am using the Apache 4V. I am pretty satisfied with Apache 4V. So Apache 2V is priced at rupees 23,000 drum variant, and disc variant is priced at rupees 1,26,000. So similarly, Apache 160 4V is priced at rupees 1,30,000 and 1,33,000 for the single disc and dual disc models. And you get a mileage of 40 to 45 kilometers per liter, and top speed will be 125. So I have done till 125. The maximum speed it can go up to 130, but 125 is the speed the bike can go easily. So this is all about the TVS. And from the brand Yamaha, you get two models, Yamaha FZ and R15 V3. So R15 V3 is the fastest bike in its segment. So R15 is the killer of 150cc segment, and which can go up to 150 speed. So let's talk about the on-road prices of it. Yamaha FZ 150 is priced at rupees 1,21,000 on road, and you get a mileage of 35 to 40. R15 V3 is priced at rupees 1,74,000, and you get a mileage of 36 to 38 kilometers per liter, and top speed is 145 to 150. So this is the bike which has more horsepower, which can go up to 150 kilometers per hour. So this is the fastest bike in 150cc segment. And the last brand you have Suzuki. So from Suzuki you have Gixxer 150 and SF 150. So both these bikes have same engine, so they share similar engines. So the difference is only in the visuals. One is fade and one is naked one. So let's talk about the on-road prices. Gixxer 150 is priced at rupees 1,30,000 on road, and Gixxer SF 150 is priced at rupees 1,45,000 on road. And mileage is 35 to 40, and it can go up to 100 and 110. So this is all about the Gixxer mileage jump, top speed figures and on-road prices. So now let's talk about the best bike in its category. So based on your need, you have to decide which one you have to buy. So let me tell you which is the best in its segment. If you want a fade model and you are not worried about the price, R15 V3 is the best option. And if you want a all-rounder which is good at mileage, speed and everything, Apache 164V is the winner. And if you want a family bike, then you should go for Honda CB Unicorn 160. And why I'm not showing you the NS 160, because the Pulsar NS 200 is better than 160. So that's why I'm quitting those NS 160 bike. So this is all about today's video. So if you have any doubts regarding this video, like you have any on-road prices doubts or mileage, top speed, etc., you can message me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is Ravikiran Kasturi. So you can message on that. So I'll definitely reply to you. And do follow my Instagram page also. And if you are new to my channel, click the subscribe button and turn on the notification so that you get my updates immediately. So see you in another video. Until then, bye. This is Ravikiran signing off.